Hey there, this is Josh with West Michigan Property Solutions, Benton Harbor's premier home buyer. So I think we should just take a second and be honest. No one's exempt from hard times. The truth is, sometimes people go into foreclosure. Sometimes people go through divorce. Sometimes people randomly inherit properties that they can't afford to maintain. I mean, sometimes people have vacant houses that they can't afford the repairs on, so they can't sell it. If you're experiencing that or anything else property related, we want to solve that problem for you. Our number one focus is to be the local property problem solution. So whether you're experiencing what I mentioned or anything else, we can help. Now, if you'd like our help, you just have to do one thing. It's really easy. Just fill out the form. It's either going to be right here or up here, depending on if you're on your phone or not. Fill out the form, we'll contact you, we'll listen to your problem, we'll provide some options, and then we'll provide a solution, because that's what we do. So, fill out the form, and we'll talk to you soon.